Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. This is SD Wi-Fi camera. This is secret camera and button have inside. You can using a button anyone. This is the button and have the SD card system. This is the reset button and off on button. And this is the USB connector charger. Open inside have the red indicator. And this is the charger cable. This one application Lookcam and download Lookcam application. This is the application download. And first you go Wi-Fi, connect this camera Wi-Fi F377 F377 and go to Lookcam application and this is cancel. Already coming device online. Open, cancel. Have the 4K resolution and 2K 1080p. This one set camera set up down. This is the voice. Hello. And this one picture. And this one record video. And after you can go setting IP connect. This one. Go to settings icon and Wi-Fi settings. Connect your home Wi-Fi. I can give my mobile hotspot. Same. This is the mobile hotspot. With the password. Mobile hotspot password. Same password. You can try. And waiting for 2-3 minutes and 1 minute 2 minutes, same like this. Wait. After this one connecting. And blinking blue and red inside and red close and blue coming. The connecting confirm. Already device connect. Can you open another Wi-Fi? Go to application. Already coming device online. See, this is already connect Wi-Fi. Now F377 no have Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi already close. And have the SD card system. This one can go to playback SD card. There you can choose SD file. There now inside SD card no have. SD card have all everything recording. They are coming.